All right, hey everyone, we are in beautiful Sedona, Arizona, taking in all these breathtaking views, and we're here on the Broken Arrow Trail, and we want to talk about the two different covert front bumper options that we have for your 2024 Tacoma. So let's dive in and take a look at these two options. All right, so on this particular truck, we have our ultimate low profile covert front bumper. I like to call it the Factory Pro covert bumper. And the reason I like to call it that is because you can see it only goes from this line down. It is super low profile. It doesn't stick out any further than your factory bumper, but it gives you a ton of protection here in the front end. Gives you your D-ring recovery points, which are soft shackle compatible. And it also gives you a winch mount, which is really awesome to have on a brand new 2024 Tacoma. Makes a big difference to have some front end protection, to have that recovery option with your winch and your D-rings. And that's one of our favorite things about this ultra low profile covert front bumper. Another thing that's really important is you don't have to cut above this line so you don't affect your factory LED fog lights. It's super easy to install, very simple cutting here. Anybody can do it in their garage or at home. And I think this is one of our best options when it comes to an ultra low profile covert front bumper. Here we are in front of our 2024 covert front bumper. This is our full offering on the covert here. This is requiring a little more cutting. Has a spot to mount your factory fog lights or aftermarket LED lights. You have your soft shackle compatible D-rings, winch mount with access, and you can run a 20-inch light bar here in this opening. So it gives you a little more functionality for light bars and other things. Really good coverage on the front end and clearance. Just like all of our covert front bumpers, they're very low profile here on the front. They don't stick out any further than your factory front bumper. You've got your sensor mounting that's built into it. And this particular bumper has the bull bar option. So if you want a little more aggressive look, then this is a great way to go. Of course, you still are going to retain all your factory sensors, and those function just as they should from the factory. This is a really great option if you're looking for a little more from your covert front bumper. If you want a little more functionality and features, then this bumper here is the way to go. All right, so whatever your favorite adventure is for your new 2024 Tacoma, a CBI covert front bumper is going to be the item to get you there and back. So be sure and check them out on our website. If you have any questions, reach out to our customer service team. Be sure and like and subscribe and follow along, and let's see you out on the trail.